gents. Best of all, please, and a massive round of applause for Kiara. Here we go. Zoe, what do you think?
I'm so proud of you right now. You look so nervous getting on the stage, Bez, even though you were much more comfortable than what you were the last time. So again, that's an improvement. I love the fact that I love the fact that as the song went on, so like your nerves faded, you just got more relaxed and relaxed. You need to believe in yourself because everything's there. It's the confidence with you, I think, and obviously that will come week by week. But honestly, just keep doing anything you're doing because it's all there. Well done.
Carrie?
Yeah, I think this was a massive improvement in terms of like when you did Run, it was just very gutsy and very powerful. But I think with this, you had much more control. It was much softer at the beginning, and you built in dynamics, and I think that's really, really important. And I love the fact, the control that you have when you're going down the scale. I just thought that was beautiful. I think you did really, really well. You give it some love, girl. And I love your t-shirt.
Thank you.
It was a fab performance. Well done, lovely.
Thank you.
Kiara, I feel really, really proud of you because I know a bit more about your journey to you and like you know, like you've come into this and you've been very sheltered with music because you literally just, the only experience you've got is being in your bedroom. That is it. No crowd, nobody to push you on and say, come on now. That, you know, honestly, I'm really, really impressed, even with the improvements, because I spoke to you in the studio, because you came to the studio this week, and we had a bit of a reality check, and I said, look, there's a lot of work to do, and you're aware of that now, and, you know, I spoke to you about the pitching problems and things like that, and I kept bringing in Kaylee about, you know, how you reminded me of Kaylee and stuff. But do you know what? Some people, when they have stuff said like that to them, they can go one way or another. They can either go the opposite way and go, oh my God, I'm never doing this again. Or they can say, I want this, I'm going to fight for it, and I'm going to do everything. That's exactly what you did. Those little changes in the end don't straighten them out. It allowed us to you what you can play to your strength. instead of what you can't do really, really well at this moment. So in terms of control, this was definitely more controlled than the audition. It was another step forward. All you need to do is keep committed. So how you've been, I know what you've done. You went all that week and you practiced and practiced. Mum was telling me that she's practicing, Joe, she's practicing, she's on it, she's on it, she's on it. And I can see you have, because that has paid off 100% well. You should be really proud of yourself. Keep working hard. Keep working hard. Well done, Joe. Round of applause, guys. Well done.